Some of the gardening tips you're following right now are quietly destroying your plants. And the worst part? They're the exact ones that get recommended the most.
Today, we're exposing 5 popular gardening myths that might be doing more harm than good. Let's get straight into it.
You've probably heard that coffee grounds boost plant growth. But here's the truth. Unprocessed coffee grounds can block nitrogen during decomposition, throw off your soil's pH, and even stunt young seedlings. The fix: compost them first, or only use them with plants that actually prefer acidic soil. Most plants don't die from lack of water, they die from drowning. Overwatering suffocates the roots and creates the perfect environment for rot. A better approach is simple. Water deeply, then let the top layer of soil dry before watering again. When a plant looks weak, many gardeners reach for fertilizer. But the wrong formula can burn the roots, stretch your stems, or force leafy growth without flowers. Match your fertilizer's NPK ratio to what your specific plant needs. More fertilizer isn't better. Smarter fertilizer is. Crispy or pale leaves don't always mean your plant is thirsty. In many cases, it's sunburn, too much direct light, not too little water. To fix it, move the plant out of harsh sunlight or use a light diffusing shade cloth. Putting a plant into a huge pot sounds helpful, but it actually slows growth. Excess soil holds excess moisture, and that leads straight to root rot. The right move is to upsize gradually, one pot size at a time.
So, which of these myths have you believed? Let me know in the comments, and I'll debunk the most requested ones in a future video.